must clearly mention that without pre-medical this thing, same company. In India, we have this third, and also if that medical personnel, we never know, but protection society should everyone have the right to choose a partner. Any living relationship, every relationship done in public or in private, they cannot be discriminated. They have the legal right to choose their own partner or their sexual orientation. But right to marriage, as per Special Marriage Act, Section 4, and also Section 4 of Foreigners Marriage Act, it happened only between a male and female. A male who is 21 years old and a female 18 years old. Adugi maram waina masigi ek si leri pau same sex marriage sidi yaroi. Adugi they can choose to live in with any as per their sexual orientation, but makoi right to marriage aduga marriage ki benefits sidi pibi yaroi haina masumaina judgment ta apane. But at the same time, makoida discrimination si makhan dum lay haina haye. Besides physical sexual discrimination or violence against them, makoida thabak shuba kumbada, makoida thabak lobi daba sumaina transgender were haibigi thabak shuram masu thabak tigi lothokpa promotion pi daba pramanda yum phara kumba pi daba aduga any welfare benefits kumba pi daba asidi yaroi adugi asikumba makoi rights sidi constitutional rights aduga legal rights sidi protect tawpani topom thokpani haina supukona sumaina direction tarakpani.